Have you ever had VIP welcome in Japan?
Hi, if you haven't seen me before, my name is Shay. I'm a travel blogger and I just completed my round the world trip, 2 continents, 8 countries. So let me show you.
Please insert your room key for room light.
I'm being escorted to the room. Whee! Check it out.
Here, this is your room key.
You can just.
Arigatou gozaimasu. It's a nice view.
Is it? Sure. Oh wow, yeah, it's very nice.
This is
Ooh,
Tokyo Bay.
yeah.
You can see the rainbow bridge
Oh,
over there. Rainbow bridge.
oh, is it
Yes.
called Rainbow Bridge?
Yes.
Very nice. It'd be nice during the day, right? Can't see right now.
Yeah.
It's kind of dark. Thank you. Oh, it's really nice.
This right.
Bright. Ooh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have any questions about your room?
Mm-mm. She's showing me the room. We're doing a tour.
Room tour. Yeah.
Room tour. Oh. See, it's a toilet, shower. There's a tub. Ooh, there's a big tub.
Separate your.
Yeah, separate.
Yeah.
Yes. All right.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Have a good night.
Good night. Komawa.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour. Let me know what you think of it and whether you would want to go there in the comments. If you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel because like I said, I just finished my world tour. So there's a lot more that I'm going to share with you. So make sure you subscribe and click that bell notification so you don't miss any of my videos that I'm going to post soon. Also share with the bestie who will be interested to go somewhere like this. Oh, as I mentioned, I am a blogger, so that means I do have a blog. It's shaytravel.com. I'll put the link in the comments and description section. I do post travel deals, like discount on flights, travel guides and tips for you to check out later when you're done watching this video. Till next time, happy travels!